Vakafanobata chigaro chemutungamiri wenyika vaConstantino Chiwenga vapa yambiro yakaoma kuna muzvinabhizimusi ane mukurumbira vaWicknell Chivayo nevamwe vari kupomerwa mhosva yekupamba zviwanikwa zvehurumende vachizviti vapfumi imbinga.
Kwete dzamunoti mbinga kuhondo taidziti zvigananda. Those who grow big tummies through ill-gotten wealth and questionable morals.
Mashoko avaChiwenga akanangana nevanhu vanonzi vari kushandisa masimba avo zvisizvo kuzvipfumisa vachikanganisa upfumi hweZimbabwe. Zvisinei, izvi zvamutsa mutauro pakati pezvizvarwa zveZimbabwe, vakawanda vachibvunza kuti mashoko avo achaunza danho rine musoro here kana kuti kungotaura zvisina maturo. Frustrated citizens expressed their impatience with the government's repeated warnings over the years, pointing out that such corruption has persisted for nearly 8 years with no significant action. Social media reactions were filled with calls for immediate and decisive steps to address corruption, with some saying, "Enough with warnings and talking, we need action now." Others criticized the leadership for allowing the country's economic crisis to worsen without visible actions to hold culprits accountable. Pane fungidziro yekuti mashoko avaChiwenga anogona kunge ane chekuita nezvematongerwo enyika, vamwe vachiti ari kutogadzirira sarudzo dzemuna 2030. A few voices even urged him to take power from President Mnangagwa now rather than waiting for 2030, arguing that the time for decisive leadership is overdue. Others dismissed the remarks as political grandstanding, further deepening skepticism about the government's ability to clean up corruption and improve governance. Allegations against Wicknell Chivayo grew more detailed as social media users accused him of involvement in money laundering, smuggling minerals, and connections to the infamous gold mafia scandal. Claims surfaced that Chivayo's private jet was allegedly used to smuggle minerals, while prominent figures like Hubert Angel Pokelo and others were implicated in facilitating the illegal activities. Critics labeled Chivayo as a key player in a corrupt network that has reportedly looted millions from state resources. Zvisinei, nemashoko avaChiwenga akasimba, zvizvarwa zveZimbabwe zvakawanda zviri kuramba zvichikahadzika kuti hurumende yavo ichatora matanho anobatika here kugadzirisa nyaya idzi. Citizens called for accountability, transparency and justice, emphasizing that corruption is crippling the country's economy and eroding trust in leadership. They highlighted the urgent need to recover stolen resources, punish those responsible, and create a system that ensures fair governance. Ultimately, the people of Zimbabwe expressed their readiness to demand more from their leaders, urging citizens to speak out and push for change. Some even hinted at taking to the streets if the government fails to act decisively. As frustration and economic hardships grow, the pressure is mounting on leaders like Chiwenga to move beyond statements and deliver results that restore confidence and hope for a better Zimbabwe.